Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakunhun jong ki MLA Congress ke badon hak Liang Pyrshah jong ke yeng dorbar thau an hapok ke jingalam jong ke Dr. Amlarem lengdo uba HM Shangpliang bat uba George lengdo kila penpau ke jing sngokhia bat ke jing sngo beniau haduk kata-kata hadien bagila yo ya ke kubor badon ki khenarit ki batrai balla hak Jaka Tylliat mauchip uma ngait lang dahar kani kakunhun ki MLA kalau betha ya Superintendent of Police ke West Giant Hills District ban Tohkit Pynïap halor kani ke jingja ban la betharu ya ke tenat labor ban Tohkit bakite ki kena kile ayu hakate ke Jaka Tylliat mau hak bai dai bat kani ke jingja khat waingut ki barjela bat trai jela bat kuntup ya saungut ki kena kila syakem hagi pulit jong ke Amlarem Police Station halor ke jingsha kena don kti ban Pynïap ya wei brio bakerteng o Martinu Shah o barang South Post nam karta o basong basa halai lengdo Amlarem hak Jaka Tylliat mauchip uma ngait lang dhar kani ke jingja Shah Pynïap o Martino kala jaha ka arpsan tarik uni bunai ha ka por kumban riu siteng menmien la yatho ba kani ke jingja yasho yadat ki arkan hon ki nong trei bella kalawan ra ka jingklat no jong o Martino.
They've just given us a clarity on the matter. Apparently there was a quarry, a crusher that was in operation in Amlarem subdivision. We've been informed that there was a clash among workers and that this matter is actually being investigated upon by the SP himself, and he has given us assurance that he will keep us posted. But it seems to be a clash between two groups who are all workers in the crusher, in the stone crusher. There's just one factor which is a little alarming from the report that the SP has given us. The indication that juveniles were involved in this clash. So we've requested the Department of Labour to inquire further as to what were juveniles doing as labourers in a stone crusher. Now that is again something which is going to be snowballing into something uncontrollable. At one point of time, we were hearing these allegations in so many reports when miners were involved in rat hole mining. That was actually what triggered off this whole NGT ban on rat hole mining. Now, if juveniles are now going and shifting their focus from rat hole mining, where they are banned, to stone crushing activities, then I think you're again using the miners for the wrong reason. We've requested the Department of Labour to investigate further, and they will give us a subsequent report on the matter.
Against those labourers who beat up the other person who succumbed to his injuries, and another is an FIR which has been given by the manager of that stone crusher, whereby one of his labourers has died. So basically this is a fight between labourers who know each other. So it's, as ma'am has correctly said, that it is not a group clash between one community and another community, but rather it was more of a personal matter, which is still under investigation right now, and we will be updating the members, the honourable members, as well as the press as and when the time arises, when our investigation is complete. Basically an argument between the workers, and the preliminary investigation suggests that it wasn't exactly any enmity between them, but rather it was on the spur of the moment they had an argument, and that argument erupted into a fight, and in that fight two opposite parties fought against each other, and one of them succumbed to his injuries. The juveniles are in the observation home, and the rest are under police custody, and their statements and other evidences are being collected.